So what do you notice is different about these questions?
As you say, the power is bigger out.
Bigger or the same? Like,
F.
not F, T. T is the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how to do these ones? Let's do the first one as an example, okay? Maybe you can write that down and I'll do it then. Okay, you have it written down? Let's have a look at it. My pen working? There we go. Okay, can you read it to me?
Yeah. 2x. Equals 3.
Yeah.
Minus 7x squared. Minus 14x. Minus 22. Over x squared.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 4x minus 5.
Now here's the trick here. Suppose you had something like 10 divided into 54, for example. How many times does that go? Well, it goes 5 times, and you're left with 4. So you can say 54 equals 10 times 5 plus 4. Yeah? So, if you have P, I don't know, divided into Q, I don't know, gives you T, and you have remainder or, you can say Q equals P times T plus or. So you can kind of do something similar here. You can divide this into this, and you get x squared minus 4x minus 5 divided into, can you see okay? Yeah. 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 14x minus 23. This will be 2x. That's 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 10x over, cancel, x squared minus 4x minus 23. So that's a plus 1. X squared minus 4x minus 5. 18?
Yeah.
No. Minus 18. Yeah. So this problem here, you can change it into the 2x cubed. This can be changed into x squared minus 4x minus 5 times 2x plus 1 minus 18. Does that make sense to you? Yeah. All over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Which can be, you can take this, well, we can separate it. We can say it's this over this minus this one over this one. You know, like A minus B over C equals A over C minus B over C. Yeah? So when you take this one, you can see these cancel, and you're left with 2x plus 1. And when you take these two, nothing cancels, you're left with 18 over this, which equals 2x plus 1 minus 18 over x minus 5 x plus 1. Then this here is just like last class, yeah. So let's take this to the side. So just take this to the side for a moment. This is a over x minus 5 plus b over x plus 1. You multiply by the denominator and you get 18 equals a x plus 1 plus b x minus 5. You make a equal to x equal to 5
You have to get A.
to get a is equal to 3, and then you make x equal to minus 1, and then, no, I'm sorry, did I do something wrong here? No, that's right, yeah, that's right, yeah. That's equal to minus 3. Yeah. 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 3 and minus 3. So then you go back to here and you can say this is equal to 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 minus 3 over x plus 1. There's 3 and minus 3. So the final answer is 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 plus 3 over x plus 1. Hang on. This is something on the side. We did this yesterday. Oh, last week. Yeah. Okay, so this is your first example here. So if you can write that one down. Got it all? Okay. Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's have a look at another one now. Let's see what's so interesting here.
D.
D? Okay, let's do D. You can write it down and then I'll do it. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. What's on the top? 125x4
Plus 250.
250
250.
x cubed
Minus 140. Minus 228.
like this.
X.
Oh, yeah.
Minus 176.
Like this. Yeah. And on the bottom,
X cubed. No, 3.
oh,
Minus 140x. Minus x plus x.
oh, just x. Okay.
Minus 48.
Like this. No, x squared. Interesting. Right, so first business, division. Divide it into this. I don't have enough space. Minus 176. Like this. So firstly, it's an x. 125x4 minus 140x squared minus 48x. That goes, you're left with that. That goes, and you're left with this. Aren't you? Yeah. Right? I'm sure we have a calculator. Yeah. And then next, plus 2. Like this. By 2.
So I.
Yes, why did I do this? Thank you. All good? Minus 80. Yeah, okay, so minus 80. Right, so here you can change this into 125x cubed minus 140x minus 48 times x plus
2.
times x plus 2 minus 80. Yeah? All over 1, 2, 2, yeah. Which equals x plus 2 minus 80 over this. which equals x plus 2 minus 80 over, let's check what we get here. Not good. Maybe it is. Which one is this?
D, yeah.
D. No, it's not. I made a mistake somewhere.
But how? Yeah, you take 1/8 x squared, maybe, in the calculator. No.
No, I don't think it was that. I'll check again. Oh, I see the mistake. Oh, wrong mode. Mode 54.
Yeah.
5x minus 6. 5x plus 2. 5x plus 4. Like this. Okay, to the side now.
A.
Yeah, so we'll take a shortcut because we know it's going to be 80 equals A, 5x plus 2, 5x plus 4, yeah, plus B, yeah. And then lastly will be C, and then whoop, 5x minus 6, 5x, yeah, plus 2. Okay, so what we say first? X equals 6 over 5. So that means you'll get 80 equals A times 8 times 8, and then this would be 6 over 5 times 10. So A equals 1. Then X equals minus 2 over 5. So you get 80 equals B
minus 2,
yeah, and then minus 2 over 5 minus 8, and then
2.
Oh, sorry, I lost my train of thought. 2, like this. So that's minus 5, isn't it? Yeah, minus 5. And then lastly,
Can I just get
yeah.
C by solving x equals 0 and I have the value of A on B?
Yeah, you can, yeah. 80 equals C minus 10, and then minus, hang on, is it minus 10? Yeah, minus 4 minus 6, then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. It's 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 1 minus 5 and 4. 1 minus 5 and 4. One
minus 5 and 4.
minus 5 and 4.
So it will be minus 1 plus 5.
Yeah, then the minus here changed it, so it'll be minus, plus, and then minus. Yeah. Can you still see that, or is it too small?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, for sure. Mm-hmm. Well, look who's here.
Hello.
What happened tonight today?
Traffic
Mm.
and
What?
sleep again.
Mm.
How are you feel?
Hungry. Tired and hungry. Yeah.
Oh.
You missed so much, Mir. I don't know if you know what's going on. We'll do another one with Sharif.
H.
Yeah, maybe H. H. We're going to do H if you want to write it down. No more wisdom teeth?
No.
Did they let you keep them? Do you have them at home in a jar? No?
I don't think so. There's only one question and these are the parts of it.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, no number 2. You got it? what's your mobile plan? Because you said you have free calls. Meteor. Maybe we have the same plan. Is it €10?
Yeah, and €10 for internet.
Ah, I don't have that part. But €10, no texts,
Yeah.
but free calls.
To any data or only video?
Any number.
That's not.
Yes,
No.
The best because you can call it.
Yeah, same here. 3.
20 by 20.
I have 3. Yeah, it's 3.
Who has this?
Yeah.
€20.
Yeah.
3. But it's not like it's only 3 to 3 free calls. For that, for others, it's just in 120 minutes, 100 minutes.
So there is this.
And text, internet is free for whole month.
Good. Hey,
Yeah.
you made it. Where'd you come from? You must have been on campus. You have no jacket.
No, I came by taxi.
Oh, okay. That's why you're not wet.
Yeah.
I was wondering. You felt like you didn't need a coat today?
Well, no, I stayed at Montrose for the weekend and I got my coat.
Yeah. Stay where?
Montrose for the shop.
Oh, okay. That's an apartment place, is it?
Student residence.
Student residence, yeah. Okay, we ready to see H then? So you're going to freeze today, are you? Are you going to freeze?
I've been freezing for days.
Don't go outside during the day. It doesn't look like it'll be a good day. Okay, let's try H now.
Yes, you can make
Now, that's a big deal coming from Musharif since he's always wanting to close the window.
It means that.
It does, yeah.
How are we gonna work now?
We'll leave the window closed.
Yeah.
It's okay. Alright, what do we have on the top here?
4x.
Yeah.
Minus 8x cubed.
Yeah.
Minus 3x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 134.
Like this.
X.
And on X.
Yeah. Minus 121. 4x cubed. Minus 16x squared minus 75x minus 60.
Like this. Were you in the last class, Mir? Ah, I suppose you didn't watch the video, did you? So you have no idea what's going on.
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Yeah, were you here in the last class? Yeah. So, this example now. So the way we do these improper ones, the top is bigger than the bottom. First step, we have to divide. So I'll just do that on the side here. 4x cubed minus 16x squared minus 75x minus 63 divided into 4x4 minus 83x cubed. What? No. Minus 8x cubed minus 83x squared minus 134x minus 121. Okay, let's divide this. That's a 1. 4x cubed minus 16x.
Is it x?
Sorry, that's not a 1. That's an x. Thank you. 4x4 minus 16x cubed minus 75x squared minus 63x. 8x cubed minus 8x squared, right? 37 and 68, 7. So, I'm too tired. I'm too tired to do this in my head. Minus 134 minus 63, 71 minus 71x minus 121. So the next one would have to be 2. 8x cubed minus 32x squared minus 150x minus 126. Is that okay? Gone? 26. 26x squared, isn't it? No, it's not. 24. Yeah, 24x squared, isn't it? Yes? And then this one, hey, 79, isn't it? Plus 79x. And then minus 121, 5. Yeah. So we need this part, and this part. So I'll just zoom out for a moment. I know it's a bit small. So we say that this is equal to 4x cubed minus 16x squared minus 75x minus 63 times x plus 2 plus 24x squared. Can't even see what that one was. 79x
That's
5 was it? Thanks. All over 4x cubed minus 16x squared minus 75x minus 63. Okay, so what we do is we take this one and divide it by this, and we take this one and divide it by this as well. So in the first one, these will cancel, and you're only going to be left with x plus 2. And in the second part here, this one and this one, nothing happens. So you're left with 24x squared plus 79x plus 5 over 4x cubed minus 16x squared minus 75x minus 63. Right, so now let's have a look at this. Calculator time. Mode 54, 4 minus 16 minus 75 minus 63, 7. So let's write it down. X minus 7, 2x plus 3, isn't it? No, yes, and then that's it. So how many factors should we have here? 3. Now there's an easy way to work out the last one. It has to be one of these repeated. That's why there was only 2. And at the back we had 63. So this one must be a 3, because 3 by 3 by 7 is 63. So it must be this one that's repeated. So we'll make that a squared. And then we can do what we did yesterday. This is equal to a over x minus 7 plus bx plus c over 2, plus b over 2x plus 3. And then the next one is 2x plus 3 squared. And we can put cx or d on the top. So which would be easier? Cx or maybe just c? Yeah, d. Yeah, because we had the choice here for this one. So we can do our multiplication. We multiply by this and we'll be left with a 2x plus 3 squared plus b x minus 7 2x plus 3 plus c x minus 7. Okay, what should I use first? 7. Whew. Right. Let's put in 7 to see what we get. 24 times 49 plus 79 times 7. Oh my goodness, plus 5. And then we divide that by 14. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 3 is 17, yeah? 14. 2 times 7 is 14. 17, yeah. 17 squared. 6. Okay, so then we get A equals 6. Okay, how about getting the B? Yeah, I think so as well. Minus 3 over 2, because that will go and that will go, and that can give us a B. So if we put in minus 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2 squared times 24 plus 79 times minus 3 over 2 plus 5 minus 119 over 2, and then we put minus 3 over 2, that's gone, oh, this will give us C, minus 3 over 2 minus 7 here. So if I just divide this by minus 3 over 2 minus 7 I get. So it doesn't really matter for the last one. We could just put x equal to like 0 or something to get this one in the middle. So, huh?
Why do you put 0?
You missed the last class. You'll have to at least watch the video. It doesn't actually matter. 0 is the easiest number to use. 0. 5 equals 9a minus 21b minus 7c. But we know the a and the c. So if we just put that in here, 5 minus 9a, which is 54, plus 7c, which is 49. Oh, I get 0 here. B equals 0. So I have my B, ABC, 607. So, if I go back to my question, which is now here, this is my question, and then what I did was I looked at this part on the side, which we did last week. So if I just go back to the question, my answer would be x plus 2, sorry, this is a bit messy, this is on the side like, x plus 2 plus a, which is 6 over x minus 7, plus b plus c. So the final answer is x plus 2 plus 6 over x minus 7 plus 6 over 2x plus 3 squared. Now, just to zoom out a bit, can you still see that? Or is it too small? It's okay, are you sure? Because there's a lot on the screen here. But I would just like to show you before you write it down that this does make the same thing. Are you sure you can see that? Okay. Wait, before you write it down, I want to show you this in the program. It's just open in here. Here we go. Oh wait, I need to write the answer down, don't I? X plus 2 plus 6 over x minus 7 plus 6 over 2x plus 3 squared. This is the answer we got. Now if I add this together, oh, it doesn't add it together. No, add together. Okay, maybe if I write the question down. 4x cubed. Oh, actually, can you just read the question out again?
Minus
Yep.
8x cubed
No, it's 4 first.
Oh, yeah. 4x4 minus 8x cubed
minus 83
minus 83x
squared
squared
minus 1348 minus 131
over
4x3 minus 10x squared minus 17x minus 6.
like this. Okay, let's see. What the heck? Ah, there we go. So, same answer. No, I got a 7 here and I got a 6. But I know, I got 7, but I wrote 6. Why I did that, I don't know. So we can see it does work. Yeah. So it's a long question, but it's okay. It's okay because you're doing the same thing every time. It's just long to do. Okay, you can write it down now.
The question is it?
Oh, definitely, this is a big question. Yes. If this was a section A question, you should give up now. Save time. Can you see okay? Are you sure? Yeah. You haven't played too many video games and damaged your eyes enough then. Yeah.
In the second step, right after the long division,
Yeah.
you go back to square cubed and x plus 2, and then plus 24. No, just one more.
Oh, this thingy?
Yeah, this. You didn't write the 24x squared in brackets. You plus y.
Oh, right, yeah, okay, yeah. So, imagine you had 10 divided into 54. It goes in 5 times, and the remainder is 4. So you would say 54 is equal to 10 times 5 plus 4, not multiply 4. Got that? Yep, okay. So let's have a look here. So I think the best thing to do now is if we try some of these. The next lesson is not too bad, but then the lesson after that is quite hard. So I don't know. I have two ideas in my head. I don't know which is best because well, you were here for the last class, so you've seen both of these partial fractions, the proper and the improper, and so have you, but you've seen neither of these.
But I want to try to do
Do you? Are you sure? I think we should give some time to practice in these. These have been on every exam. Maybe hard, maybe easy, but when I think about the engineering exam, there's either going to be an easy proper partial fraction question in section A, for example, or a hard improper, that's the one we did today, in section B, or what's usually the case is both. but at the very least, there's usually an improper in section B. Now, because it's in A and because it's in B, you can't really avoid it. You know, so it's not like you know, sometimes, for example, remember we did integration by parts. Sometimes that's on the exam, sometimes it's not. It's 50-50, for example. But something like this, it's on every exam. You can't escape it. So maybe we'll give some time to practice in them. So I was doing some questions from the left here, A to J. So maybe you want to pick some out from K to T to do. Yeah, it's on Moodle.
Can I have the headphones?
You want to watch some videos, huh?
What video?
You don't have headphones?
Yeah.